That performance was truly abysmal.
I know, here I could not watch.
Every song was abysmal.
I have never heard anything so abysmal.
Abysmal. It means extremely bad. So bad, it feels like falling into a deep, dark hole with no bottom.
We got the job. We're both elated.
I've never felt so elated in my life.
This news is truly elating.
I know, I feel completely elated too.
Elated. It means feeling extremely happy and full of energy, usually after good news or a big win.
Is the wait almost over?
This pain is excruciating.
Each second feels so long.
Please help me right now.
Excruciating means extremely painful or hard to bear. It can describe pain, a long wait, or a very hard feeling.
Look at this place. It's completely pristine.
Not a single mark anywhere. It looks pristine, like no one has ever been here.
That's what pristine means. Totally untouched.
Pristine. It means perfectly clean and untouched, exactly as it was at the very beginning.
That crowd is really loud tonight.
Raucous. Completely raucous.
I have never heard anything so raucous.
This whole place is raucous.
Raucous. It means very loud, rough, and out of control, like a wild and noisy crowd.
That place looks so alluring.
I know, Say. I cannot look away.
Everything about it is alluring.
Let's go. Right now.
Alluring. It means very attractive and hard to resist. It draws you in and makes you want more.
I feel completely despondent.
What happened to you?
I lost everything in one day.
You seem so despondent.
Despondent. It means feeling very sad and without hope. All your energy is gone and nothing feels worth trying.
That guy is so conspicuous.
Everyone in here wears gray or black.
He's the most conspicuous person here.
I wonder if he even knows.
Conspicuous. It means very easy to notice because you clearly stand out from everything around you.
Why is this printer so huge?
It needs paper with holes.
This whole system is antiquated.
It just asked for a floppy disk.
Antiquated. It means very old and no longer useful. Feels out of date.
Can you carry this to the van?
This thing is so cumbersome, I can barely hold it.
I know. It is too big to carry alone.
Next time we get a smaller one.
Cumbersome. It means large and heavy and very hard to move or use. It takes too much effort for what it does.
He always does things his own way. Very eccentric, isn't he?
He painted his whole house pink.
Yes, he's wonderfully eccentric.
Eccentric. It means a person who behaves in a very unusual or strange way that is different from most people.
You have to let this go.
No, I'm adamant about this.
Everyone disagrees with you.
I'm still adamant. I won't change.
Adamant. It means completely firm and refusing to change your mind. No pressure, no argument. Nothing moves you.
The cherry blossoms are already falling.
They're so ephemeral.
That's what makes them beautiful.
Yes, ephemeral things always are.
Ephemeral. It means something that lasts only a very short time and then disappears.
I got the part.
Wait, really? That is the lead role.
I know. I cannot stop smiling.
You are absolutely exuberant right now.
Exuberant. It means full of energy, joy, and excitement that overflows. More than just happy. The feeling bursts out.
He hasn't spoken clearly in days.
Whoa, his eyes just snapped open.
Is he having a lucid moment?
Yes, this is a real lucid moment.
Lucid. It means clear in thought and easy to understand, like a moment of sharp clarity.
The water turned completely opaque overnight.
I cannot see the fish at all.
Even the flashlight cannot get through.
Something just bumped the glass.
Opaque. It means not clear. Light cannot pass through it. You cannot see what is behind it.
Staying up all night is ruining my work.
That habit is truly detrimental.
How detrimental are we talking?
Your focus, health, all going down.
Detrimental. It means causing harm or damage to something. When something is detrimental, it makes a situation worse or hurts your health, work, or life.
Did you see what he did?
Yes. His plan was completely nefarious. He hurt so many people.
That is the most nefarious thing I know.
Nefarious. It means wicked and criminal, done on purpose to harm people.
He still won't say sorry.
He's completely obdurate about it.
Nothing changes his mind. I've never seen anyone so obdurate.
Obdurate. It means refusing to change your mind or feelings, no matter what anyone says or does.
completely hard and unmovable.
Did you really reuse that tea bag?
Tea is expensive. I save what I can.
You do this with everything, though. You are incredibly parsimonious.
Parsimonious. It means being too careful with money, refusing to spend even small amounts.
Phones are everywhere now.
I know her. It is pervasive.
Even at dinner, nobody looks up.
It has changed everything.
Pervasive. It means spreading through everything, present in every place and every part. Nothing is left untouched.
Another umbrella just flipped.
This wind is everywhere.
Bad weather is prevalent today.
Even the signs gave up.
Prevalent. It means common in many places or among many people. The same thing appears again and again across a large group or area.
This railing feels very weak.
Do not touch it.
One wrong step and we fall.
This whole path is precarious.
Precarious. It means not safe or stable. It could fall or fail at any time, with no warning.
I'm gonna ask for a 10 times raise. I've done the math. It's fair.
That is completely preposterous. Preposterous. Truly preposterous.
Preposterous. It means so absurd and unreasonable that it is almost funny. Something no one could take seriously.
That smell makes me sick.
Oh, I forgot it overnight. This whole mess is repugnant. Fine, throw it out now.
Repugnant describes something so bad or wrong that you want to move away from it. Your body or mind says no at once.
I have no words for this.
It's sublime. Just sublime.
I've never felt so small.
That's what sublime does to you.
Sublime. It means so beautiful or so powerful that it fills you with awe, a feeling bigger than any normal word.
The fire alarm just went off.
I know. I finished my coffee first.
You are completely unperturbed, aren't you?
Nothing about that felt urgent to me.
Unperturbed. It means staying calm and not bothered, even when something goes wrong or is hard.
Grandma looks so frail now. She lost a lot of weight.
She's frail, but her mind is sharp.
We need to be gentle with her.
Frail. It means physically weak and easily hurt. A frail person looks like they could break with one small push.
I missed the train again today.
And you forgot your bag too?
Yeah. And my ticket was in the bag.
You are the most hapless person I know.
Hapless. It means always unlucky, with bad things happening again and again. Nothing goes right for this person.
This code has no error checks.
And no structure at all.
Yeah. I built it in 1 hour.
It is very rudimentary.
Rudimentary. It means very basic and not fully developed. Just the first rough form of something.